Strong condemnation from PNP Women's Movement over Melissa Silvera's murder, for which former PNP MP Joyleanne Silvera has been charged. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, opposition leader stresses crime focus should the PNP retake the government in the next general elections. And Negril to become its own municipality. Prime Minister addresses those plans. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.